Hello and welcome to this next class. I hope you are able to understand how to place your building inside the land or the site plan or the site layout, as the case may be. I want you to do it as an assignment. You have to dimension the remaining of the building, dimension the site. Also, I want you to just play around with it. You can see how the building was done, the walkway inside that PDF. Just follow it as you have done it. And I know I'm repeating it. We've already told you the template that you need for your work to be faster. We are going to give you, so don't worry about template in this our AutoCAD 2017 tutorial. Is part of the freebies that you are going to enjoy. Templates of cars, of shrubs, of furnitures, sanitary fittings, and so on and so forth. We shall be giving it to you free of charge, so that you will not need to go through that process of drawing all these things. Now, the last but not the least, there's something we call land use analysis. They call it land use analysis. This box at the side of this place, I had to copy one to bring to this place to show you how it is done. If you have been conversant with site plan, you will see something like this. Now we want to learn how to go about it. First of all, you will see the road land area. We need to get the area of this land. Peradventure, you don't want to go to your survey plan to check the area of the land. If you want to get the area of this box yourself, don't forget, you just go to utilities. On utilities, you see measure. You now go to area. From area, to ask you click your first point, you click your second point, you click your third point, you click your fourth point. I now come back to the point where you started from. You left click on it. By the time you do that, you now press enter. Your area will now come out. You can see it shown here, the area of the whole building, which is 669.974 square meters. So you just go to this place and write 6. You double click on it, you change it 669.94 meters squared. So that's how you are going to be going. Now we need to do the building area too. The same way we go to utilities, you click your measure area, you start from one angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You please take note, you end where you started from. Please, it's very important. You now press your enter. The area of the building will come out 107.39. You go to this place too, 107.39. That's how you begin to change it. Now the undeveloped area, what you need to do is just to take your calculator now and you begin to subtract 669 minus 107.39. You'll be able to get that 669.94 minus 107.39. Once you get that, you press your equal to that 562.55. So you change it here to 562.55. You've created that one. Percentage of developed area. You now go to, this is our building area, which is 107.39. You go to your calculator, you input 107.39 divided by the total land area, which is 669.94. Now press your go to multiply by 100%. You now get 16.03% is the percentage of our developed area. So you double click on this one, you can be able to edit it 16.03. By the time you want to get the percentage of undeveloped area, you just subtract 16 minus 100%, which gives you 83.97. 97. If you do not have this table, you can draw your table. You know how to draw a table now with the use of lines. It's very easy to draw your table, and you know how to use your text. I hope you can do that very well now. How to use text, how to underline, how to change your font. If you do not remember, just go back to the videos and replay it so that you know how to use your text. And once you have done this, and you have been able to make your landscape of your building very beautiful, then you can now say you have become an authority, at least to an extent, in AutoCAD. If you can follow these lessons, I assure you, even if you see any other bigger building, you'll be able to do it with less stress. But I want you to know that this is 15 years experience of training, and it's not easy to be able to know it very well like this unless you practice and practice and practice. So I implore you to practice. I encourage you to practice. Don't be discouraged. Continue to practice until you become an AutoCAD guru. Thanks for listening to this AutoCAD tutorial.